Hey, how's it going everybody? Back here at Dash Trucks with another walk around video. If you like what you're watching, you want to stay up to date with our inventory, make sure you like, subscribe, and don't forget to turn on your post notification bell. That way you're notified every single time we post a new video. Without further ado, here's today's 2015 Isuzu NPR 15-foot box truck. This vehicle's stock number is going to be 00245. This is a 15-foot utility box truck with our sliding doors. This vehicle does run off of diesel fuel tank. And of course, as we're walking around, I'll go ahead and give you guys a close-up of our tires like usual. This is just to show you guys the quality that we provide here at DAS. The tread on our tires are amazing. And along with our tires, we always paint the chassis underneath our vehicle. This is to prevent any kinds of rust from forming underneath, and we use a specialized paint for that. Here, of course, we do have our diesel fuel fill-up section. Now looking at our truck from this angle, we do have our grab handles on the sides of the actual entry. Of course, we have our backup camera right above. And then this is what the box looks like overall. Go ahead and open it up and show you guys the inside. Give me one moment. And now, having opened up the box, as you guys can tell, we are fully equipped with our ramp, E-tracks, tie-down boards, our hooks, and our different kinds of utility shelving. In here, we have the usable floor space of 1311. And that's from the very end towards this corner, right before it cuts off where the ramp is. Here, our height is going to be 7 feet, with our width from side to side being 7'6". Scooting back, we do have our rear opening height at 7'6", and our rear opening width at 7'1". Now, of course, we also have our door from that side, and I'll go ahead and show you guys what that looks like. But in here, it's going to come in handy whenever you have all your equipment, different kinds of things that you need to load, put away. All these compartments are going to be your best friend. Now, before finishing our walk around, I'll go ahead and pull out a ramp and show you guys how that looks like. Give me one moment. I went ahead and pulled out our ramp, and this is what it's going to look like. This is going to come in handy whenever you're trying to load the vehicle. Be able to just grab a dolly and roll your stuff right up on there. I'll go ahead and give you guys the rest of our walk around. Now that that's closed, I'll go ahead and give you the rest of the walk around. I don't believe I mentioned, but these rear tires are dually. So we have the set of 2, with of course our sliding doors on the sides. And then our cab. This is a tilt cab, so you would tilt the whole exact cabin for you guys to see the engine underneath that. And I'll go ahead and open this up and show you guys the inside of the sliding door. With our sliding door now open, this is what it's going to look like from this angle. Again, this comes in handy whenever you're wanting to store stuff. Any kinds of equipment, any kinds of things that you might need, you can pop in here, open up the sliding door, and then get access to. And I'll go ahead and just hop inside of the cabin and show you guys a close-up at our steering wheel. Being seated at our steering wheel itself, on the dash right behind it, we do see that it has 93,322 miles. Over here to the left, we do have our powered locks, our odometer reader, and then our dimmer. On the door, we do have our power windows, which is really nice, with some storage right at the door itself. Over here, we do have our rear view screen monitor with our radio working with AM, FM, CD player, aux, and USB connection. Right here is the button that you would turn on when you want to apply your cruise control. My bad. Of course, we have our AC and our heater. These work amazing, and right now that it's starting to get really, really hot in Colorado, it's come in handy with the AC. Of course, we have additional storage right over here, with overhead storage right above the seating area. Now, of course, we also have our 3 seats. This does come down, but it also folds up. Forms that third additional seat for you guys, with our cup holders in the middle, of course. and some additional storage right behind the seating area. And that'll wrap it up for today's 2015 Isuzu NPR. This is going to be our 14-foot utility box truck. If you guys have any other questions on this vehicle, make sure you call us or text us. Our sales team are amazing and they usually know how to answer after hours when needed. Feel free to check out the link to the website that is going to have all the information on every single vehicle that we sell, along with the warranty that we provide with them. That's just a way of providing quality for our customers. Don't forget to check out the small information snippet. I will be leaving information that I spoke about in the video just for you guys. Thank you so much. Till next one. Bye-bye.